What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P, back with another video. First off, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean P TV. And if you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And this video is maybe day, I want to say, what is it, day 117 of my day 118 of my Pipefitter apprenticeship. I normally do it at least every Friday, but kind of wanted to do this one just because. Update, not really doing much of anything other than just demoing pipe. Actually learning how to put on like a blade on a porta band or a portable bandsaw. And if y'all don't know what a portable bandsaw is, Google it. I'll probably do a video later on down the line, maybe one further along in my apprenticeship, to actually explain what a porta band is and what it's used for. Porta band's pretty much just used to just cut out pipe that is no longer being used. That's the only best way I can explain it. Other than that, we've been doing demo all day. Well, half the day anyway. I don't know what we're gonna do the second half. I wish, like I said, I could show y'all what I'm actually doing, but since, you know, can't really use a cell phone inside the premises that I'm working at, that's why I can't really show y'all what I do. So, been up on the scissor lift, of course, doing that stuff. What else have we been doing? That's pretty much it, just demoing pipe. I don't know what we're gonna do the second half of the day, because I know I got class today at I gotta leave 4:30 to get there by 6, and I got class from 6 to 9, and then that's about it. I think I got one more assignment I gotta do before class. I think he gave us chapter 7, but I'm not sure. It's just me going on a little bit of a kind of tangent, but that's pretty much what we've been doing all day. You might see some of the dirt and stuff I got on my face from earlier. I'm supposed to be eating lunch right now. I didn't really bring anything. That's another thing too. Try to bring in your own lunch. I only got like just chicken wrap, chips and stuff like that, something to drink. But that's all I got to update. I mean, I haven't really been doing like too much on the pipe fitter side, like, you know, in terms of taking measurements. Actually, I take that back. Saturday we took measurements and take off and makeup, and that kind of confuses me a little bit. But like I said, I'm the type of person that actually learn by actually doing it rather than somebody telling me. I mean, I could learn kind of by somebody telling me, but I actually physically have to do something for me to actually kind of grasp it a little bit. So other than that, that's pretty much the update. Day 118, it's raining. We were supposed to actually be working outside up top, I think laying out pipe or whatever, but since it's raining, they couldn't bring in the crane and all this stuff to do the work that we needed to do. So pretty much it was a rain delay, as they would say in baseball. So, but other than that, I'm gonna sum this up. Please like, comment, subscribe, comment down below if you're a fellow apprentice going through the same thing I'm going through, the whole learning process, all that. Other than that, I'm out. Peace. Cut the damn camera off, Sean.